Hello everyone, one of the questions I get all the time, I think it's because of the indoor flying stuff, is what are your rates? So this video is to cover that. It's not a long exploratory video, it's just to tell you my rates and maybe give you a touch of how I got there, because I've been using these so long, I don't really remember the true facts possibly. And here they are. For those who are only listening, which is perfectly acceptable, we've got Betaflight rates. I have tinkered with actual rates, but I haven't hit my sweet spot for actual rates just yet, and I honestly haven't given them a lot of time. But on pitch and roll, use 1.2 for the RC rate, and the super rate, it's just now labeled rate, 0.75 on both pitch and roll as well. And yaw is a little bit higher. It's 1.3 and 0.8 on the super rate. You might ask me, why is yaw higher? Well, when I kind of got started, yaw oftentimes needed to be higher to get the same sort of stick movement to your pitch and roll. There's also a sensitivity in our fingers into that probably plays a role, especially now that Betaflight has come so far. So you may want to try flat rates all the way across, flat meaning the same, or you may want to try using a higher yaw rate if you find that your nose control, or what I call nose control, if you're not getting your camera pointed in the direction that you're wanting, maybe you're flying a little bit diagonal or sideways, pump up your yaw rate just a touch and see if that brings the camera or the nose of the drone pointing in the direction that you're flying more consistently, because it does look kind of odd if you're unintentionally flying kind of diagonally because your yaw control is just a bit off. Now you can also see there, I don't use Expo. I don't use Expo regardless of the quad. I use these rates, and the RC Expo, I use that on every single quad I fly. It doesn't matter if it's a sin whoop, a whoop, a 3-inch, a 3.5 inch, and even the dabbling of 4 inchers that I've tried on the channel over the years. It's the same all the time. So there it is. Those are my rates. You should find your own, but you're welcome to tinker and try mine out. Rates, kind of like PID tunes, are very, very personal. You have to find what speaks to you, what gives you the control that you're looking for. Some people prefer much lower rates. Some people even prefer higher rates. I think generally most people would say my rates are somewhat high. It may have to do with my experience playing baseball all those years up through college and up to 40. I maybe developed some finger sensitivity, although it doesn't make a lot of sense because you only use the right hand, in my case, the right hand, to throw a baseball. The left hand maybe has the same sensitivity. Maybe I was just born with it. But try to find your own rates. You're welcome to try mine. You will be seeing this shirt and this look again here very shortly because I'm cutting 2 videos tonight. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise, please let me know in the comment section below. I appreciate your time. Thanks for watching. I can be brown, I can be blue, I can be violet sky, I can be purple, I can be hurtful, I can be anything you like.